Every day when I wake up and get on my bike, I not only think about how beautiful it is outdoors, but I think about those cases. I think about those people and what I can do to make their lives better all during the day. I was a college tennis player, and when I went to law school, I decided that I didn't quite have time to be playing tennis anymore as much as I had, and I really took into riding my bicycle. And what I realized, though, was that there wasn't an advocate in Jacksonville when I moved here as a lawyer for bicyclists and pedestrians. There wasn't someone who could match both understanding the law, but also understanding what it's like to be a bicyclist, to be out on the roads, to deal with 4,000-pound vehicles that are right around where you're trying to exercise or go from one location to another. And I found that sometimes police and law enforcement didn't understand the laws that applied either. It gave me something that I felt expert at, but I also had credibility, not only as a lawyer, but also because I was right out there with my buddies, riding regularly, enjoying the sport, enjoying being out on my bike, and it allowed me to do both. You know, the reason why I've been able to stay at Terrell Hogan for so many years and not moved on to different firms or different positions is because the foundation of my best friends at Terrell Hogan is being moral and being ethical. And I credit so much of where I am in my professional life to being attached to these men and women who have been so incredibly persuasive and influential to me. And there's nothing like being able to come to the office and sit down and talk to someone who's been your dear friend for more than 30 years. There is an intimacy that I find with my relationships there that I couldn't possibly duplicate by going somewhere else. You know, what you see with my cycling outfit is not a costume. This is who I am. And I've had good and bad in cycling, as everybody who rides bikes has. I've had tremendous opportunities to ride with the Tour de France riders as they rode in the race and go to various countries and climb some of the best climbs in the world, but I've also had crashes. I got tackled by a border collie one time and had my collarbone fractured. I crashed in a road construction area and suffered a head injury and was in the hospital for 3 days. Boy, do I understand from personal experience what it's like to be injured on a bike, and I understand and empathize with the people that I represent because I've been there.